And the next player is Domendra Teta, all-rounder, right-hand batsman, right arm bowling. You can bet for him now.
He's very young and talented player, 27 years old. Domendra Teta. Domendra 1. Yes, BPS fighter 1000 for Domendra. 1000 BPS fighter 1. BPS fighter 2. Party Kings 2000. 3000 Rotor Royals. 4000 BPS fighter 5. Party Kings 6 BPS fighter 7 Party Kings 8 BPS fighter 9 Party Kings 10 BPS fighter 10 1 10 2 11 Party Kings 12 BPS fighter 12 BPS fighter 1 12 BPS fighter 2 13 Party Kings 14 BPS fighter 14 BPS fighter 1 14 BPS fighter 2 15 Party Kings 16 Super Kings 17 BPS fighter 17 BPS fighter 1 17 BPS fighter 2 17 BPS fighter 18 Super Kings 19 BPS fighter 19 BPS fighter 1 19 BPS fighter 2 20 Super Kings 20 Super Kings 1 20 Super Kings 2 20 Super Kings BPS fighter are interested 20,000 the last beat Super Kings 3.
Okay, the congratulations to Super Kings for having Domendra Teta at 20,000 points.